What's up everyone? Today is car wash day. The cars are quite dirty, so let's use the opportunity for 7 tips to keep your car always shiny, always clean. Yeah, look at that. Quite dirty. Cool, so let's take the car out and start the washing. Might be wondering what happened. Well, rookie mistake, my microphone disconnected and I only realized halfway through the video. I personally think the video still has its value, so you have to watch with voiceover for a while. I know it's a little bit boring, but in that case, why don't you tell me in the comments what I missed in my wash, or what are your own car washing tips, and back to the video. The tip number 1 is pre-wash. One of the most common mistakes in pre-wash people usually do is to use the pressure washer straight away. If you use the pressure washer as pre-wash, the water pressure will just push all the dirt and other particles deeper into your clear coat, eventually ruining your paint, or wrap in my case. The ideal way to do is first soak it in, either using soap with the 2-bucket technique, or use the snow cannon. Leave that for a moment so the soap can lose all the dirt, and then we go to the pressure washer. In my case, I'll use the snow cannon. For me, it's the most satisfying part of any wash. The product of choice at the moment is this Armor All snow foam. It makes a decent foam and it smells great. I am pretty sure the packaging has instructions of the appropriate dilution for that specific product, but as you can see, I usually improvise. Just add a little bit of the product, mix it with water, and we are ready to go. Not sure if I'm stating the obvious here, but it is a good practice. Always start your processes from the top down. The tip number 2 is tire and wheel care. Every time you stop the car, the brakes squeeze really hard against the wheels. This process generates a powdery mess called brake dust. That powder sticks to the wheels of the car, and that's why the wheels get dirty. To clean my wheels, I'm using this ultimate all-wheel cleaner. This product contains strong chemicals that break down the brake dust and the road grime, making it easy to clean with a brush. To apply this product, just spray the whole area and scrub really well. Disclaimer: be careful and do not let this product sit for too long on your car other than the wheel. This could damage your paint. You see the product working when you can see the foam turning pink. After brushing, just rinse it well. Now that the wheels are done for now, let's go to the tip number 3, the full wash. The full wash is pretty much the same as the pre-wash. The only difference is after applying the soap, we're gonna use a wash mitt to scrub it, and after scrubbing, just wash it away. Alright, job done. Next step and next tip is tip number 4, paint protection. For this step, I'm using this hybrid ceramic wax. This product creates a tiny layer of this so-called ceramic product, protecting your paint and making your car slightly more water and dirt resistant. You can see the water beading on the car. My car is actually ceramic coated, and this product is not intended to replace ceramic coating. I see it as a top-up, and I don't need to use it in all washes. The recommended usage according with the manufacturer is, for the first time ever, spray it in one panel at a time and immediately wipe it with a microfiber cloth. If you are reapplying, like what I'm doing, just spray and straight away rinse it. The water pressure will help you spread the product evenly in all the surface. If you let it dry before you rinse, it can stain the paint, so be careful, otherwise you will need to polish it back. Okay, here's the car after the product. Now for step 5 and 6 is just drying. So the first part of drying, I'm gonna use a leaf blower like this one, and then the second step, just a towel on top of it. So yeah, let's dry the car up, first with the blower, and then finish it off with a towel, and that's almost done. Now, step 7 and last step, and a few extra tips because I think I lost count. The car is pretty much done. This is how the car is looking like, shiny, but the extra tips is what makes your car pop. So for the last step, I'm gonna use quick detailer from Maguire's. So if the car dried up faster than you could clean, probably you're gonna see some white spots and some water spots in there. For those specific points, you can use quick detailer. Also a glass cleaner. This is like any normal multi-purpose home glass cleaner, nothing special. They say that the car version is a little bit stronger, but not that much. It's really just another normal window cleaning, outside and inside. And also a tire gel, so this one makes your tires shine and look like new for a long time, so I do recommend all those products. I'll finish it off and then we'll do a walk around the car to see how it ended up. Ooh, love these products. Smells so great. Smells like bubblegum and actually match the car. So for this one, which also smells great, this one smells like grape. This one you can apply 1 layer or 2 layer in the tires depending how shiny you want. I'll do only 1 layer. My tires are quite new, so that's fine. For this one I have a applying pad here, so I just drop a little bit in here. So the way it works, you just pass this on the tire, wait a few minutes, like 5-10 minutes, and if you want, after it dries out, you can pass a second layer. But for this one I'm using like 1 layer only, and I'll pass it thoroughly all the way around. Is this helping in any way? Consider drop a like if you like what you're seeing, if it's helping, if it's confusing or at least entertaining, drop a like. If you want to see more car shenanigans, subscribe for more. Thank you. So this is the end result. So all those products, all those techniques, all that extra effort, it will make it something like this, all beautiful and shiny. And have a look at the tires. The tires are what makes it pop. Look at that. That is it. Thank you for watching. If you follow those tips, probably you have a really clean, beautiful car as well. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time.